to the four people who has lost their valuable things, their homes, their house, and their valuable and other animals of Bangladesh.
জি মাদ্রাসা ছাত্রদের খাটো করে দেখার কিছুই নেই। উনি একজন মাদ্রাসার ছাত্র, এখন বর্তমানে বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ে অধ্যয়নরত আছেন। শুনুন পুরো বক্তব্য।
Assalamu alaikum. We know that a traffic flood has occurred in Bangladesh sometimes ago, and we know that the people of Turkey came to Bangladesh and they donate a lot of food and a lot of important things for Bangladeshi people. We know that there are lots of visitors, lots of guys. We know that, and our honorable acting chairman of Hafiz Mohiuddin, he wish donate a lot of foods, a lot of any other important things to donate the Bangladeshi people, and he wish sacrifice to the four people who has lost their valuable things, their homes, their house, and their valuable and other animals of Bangladesh. Thank you very much.
Thank you.